Hi, Warren William here from Smartest Data. Across the world, small family businesses are created by their owners. This can be for any number of reasons. There comes a time when the family business could need to be sold. The reasons can be plenty. The key is how to get the best price for the business. Let's go over 7 steps to prepare to sell a respected family business. Let's go to the video. Okay, selling a family business. This can certainly be an interesting time, or more, correct, a difficult time. Think of all the hard work and sweat over the years you've put into this business. Back in time, the business may have been formed due to a brilliant idea, a unique product, or at a time when there were no suitable employment opportunities, you just had to grunt and grind, or maybe as a hobby that grew into a family business. The business at that point in time fulfilled the very basic needs of life, to pay the bills, to put food on the table, and pay the rent or the mortgage. Now it has come a time to sell the business. This is new ground. The business may have been the livelihood for the family for decades. So what are the 7 steps that can be taken to increase, even dramatically increase, the value of your family business? The owner of a family business may consider selling the company for a variety of reasons. It could be capital, it could be family reasons, it could be there's no future generation. To guarantee a successful sale in the business, a small business owner must have a plan in place. The plan will deal with the difficulties and seek professional guidance as needed. The correct strategy in selling the family business can dramatically increase its value. Here's a 7-step checklist of some of the key things you should consider in preparing to sell the family business. First off, prepare the financial statements. Make sure the operations are sound and efficient. Make sure there's strength and depth in the management which you're leaving behind. Understand the value of the business, compare and contrast with similar companies. Also, be prepared for the due diligence, financials, legals, etc. Also, call in expert help when needed, so accountants, lawyers, and hone up on your negotiating skills. Towards the end of the video, we're going to focus on this a little bit. Point number 1, prepare the financial statements. It is critical to have accurate and current financial statements. They will help potential buyers in understanding the business's financial health. The purchaser will then be better placed to make informed decisions. So point 2, sound and efficient operations. All the business processes and procedures must be well documented and simple to follow. The new owner could have a greater confidence in the transfer of the business. Who knows, maybe even raise the value of the business. So point number 3, strength and depth in the management. Okay, so the owner is likely to leave the company after it's sold. Maybe this is one of the reasons why it's for sale. Thus, it is critical to have a strong management team in place. The company can then continue to be sound and viable. Point number 4, understand the value of the business. First and foremost, ask a reasonable price for the business. Hire a professional appraiser to determine the value and setting the asking price. Fair compensation for the effort over the years. That's what you're looking for. Point number 5, be prepared for the due diligence. A potential buyer will undertake a thorough evaluation of the business if they're serious. Prepare to present extensive information about the company. What's this going to cover? The finances, the operations, and legal standing. Point number 6, hire experts to help. This will likely be a lawyer, an accountant, and a business broker. Combined, their expertise can guide the owner through the selling process, identify any deal breakers, and negotiate a fair contract. Point number 7, work on your negotiation skills. Selling a family business can be an emotive time. Be aware emotions can negatively impact negotiation skills. Negotiation skills are critical to conclude a deal. Let's get into that in a bit more depth. Crucial negotiation techniques. Preparation, active listening, good communication skills. Flexibility is essential. Be creative in solving issues. Emotional intelligence. It's important to be patient. Let's discuss negotiating techniques. Preparation. It's critical to prepare thoroughly before getting into talks. This includes understanding the market and the competition, similar companies up for sale. Determining the value of a company can create realistic negotiation goals. 2. Active listening. For effective bargaining, listening skills are key. They're critical. Identify potential issues for compromise. It's critical to understand the other party's requirements, concerns, and expectations. Good communication skills. They are essential during negotiation. Communication that is clear and succinct helps to make sure that all parties are on the same page. It is key to understand the terms and conditions of the discussion. Flexibility. During negotiations, flexibility is essential. The ability to adapt to changing conditions and unforeseen events. This helps to prevent a breakdown in negotiations, the worst possible outcome. Creative issue solving. Creative problem-solving skills can close the deal. When difficulties develop, and they will, creative thinking can help identify alternate solutions. Solutions that benefits all parties involved. Remember, we want to achieve win-win. Emotional intelligence. The ability to detect and control one's own emotions as well as that of others. Even in difficult situations, it is critical to remain calm and composed. Discussion will progress when all parties respect each other. And finally, patience. Negotiations might and can take time. It is really important to be patient. Rushed negotiations can result in an unpleasant outcome. If you like the style of this video, let me know in the comments below. I have a lot to discuss on business finance. Also, go over to my blog and courses, www.smartest-data.blog and www.smartest-data.courses. The QR codes are on the screen. I do other videos in investing, and I have several affiliate programs, 2 in research tools, FINSCREENER and BARCHART, and 3 apps in trading, ETORO, FX PRIMUS and FIRST. They're all excellent. The links are in the comments down below. So see you in the next video.